So I'm Eric from Taylor Upstate, and I'm going to explain how to make a perfect cone the proper way. Whenever you're using a cake cone, there's always a wall around that edge right there. And what we're going to try to do is build the ice cream cone on top, the ice cream on top of the cone. We put a little bit inside, but we don't try to actually fill the cone. What that does is, if you put ice cream in there, it's wasted product because you're just putting an ounce in there where customers can't see. And another thing is we're going to try to dip the cone. We want to make sure we have the ice cream around the rim and not just inside, because when we try to hold it upside down, your hand will melt the ice cream and it'll fall out. So what we're going to do is try to fill it right around the edge. And in our machines, the opening on this door right here is a 1-inch opening, so we stay about 1 inch away. We pull the handle down, start a little bit inside, start working around the cone, start counting the turns. There's about 4 turns, we stop it and then drop down. And that's your perfect cone.